If today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. As you can see, we have a crate of egg and we have our plantain. Today we are going to be making our breakfast using egg and plantain. It's a popular Nigerian breakfast idea. Let's get started. We are going to peel the plantain. It's all peeled. Okay, we are going to slice it. So this is how we slice our plantain. This is a popular recipe in Nigeria. Savory and sweet. The egg is the savory part, the salty part. And the sweet is the plantain, so it's balanced. You can try it. We have plantain all over the world, okay? We are going to salt it before we start frying, okay? You can as well leave it that way. I'm going to be sprinkling a little salt because my kids doesn't even want salt on it. So, but it balances the taste. Yes, it balances the taste. So we add little salt, then we incorporate it, okay, so that it will touch the plantain. So now look at our plantain. It's time to fry it. So we have our oil. The next thing is to fry the plantain. Fry it in batches. So we're going to be turning it, flipping it over. Because we have enough oil, it's gonna cook evenly. Alright. So look at that color, okay? I think we have the perfect color. Okay, so it doesn't get burnt. So I'm gonna be removing it. Come back. So while this one is cooking, we're going to get our egg ready. Have our chopped up fresh pepper, hot. Have our tomatoes. Have our onions. So this is our seasoning. We have bouillon and we have salt. Mix it up. So today we're making breakfast, Nigerian typical breakfast, plantain with scrambled egg. Fried plantain with scrambled egg. It's time to fry it. We're gonna add our egg. So we give it a little time to be firm, then we mix it up. See our breakfast. It looks delicious and is inviting. So today we made fried plantain and egg, and it smells so good. This is an amazing breakfast idea for you. All right, so we've come to the end of our video today. Please subscribe, share this video, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye and God bless.